Next, I'm going to show you how to share an activity that you've created to the district and school library. And also I'm going to show you if you are using an activity that someone created, you can also find that in the school and district library. So first, we're going to share our activity we just created. We're going to click Add, then we're going to click Assign Activity. Now we're in our My Library, Seesaw library, and we're going to take an activity that we created and we're going to share it with everyone in the district so that they can use it. So everyone in my grade level can see my Unit 7 3D shapes and they can assign it to their class. So when I click on this activity, it'll open up, and in the bottom corner, there's 3 little dots. When I click on them, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click Share Activity. So it's going to say, where do you want to share it to? I want to share it to school and district libraries. Now this top choice says share to Seesaw Library. Because of the overwhelming amount of people on Seesaw right now, that option is not available. But during the school year, you can recommend things to Seesaw, an activity to Seesaw, and they will feature it in their library for teachers to use from all over the world. Today, we're just going to click Share to School and District Libraries. So other teachers at the school and district will be able to use your activity. So you click Share, answer 3 questions. What grade level is it for? I'm going to click 2nd grade. Subjects. Maybe I want to click math. Sometimes it's multiple subjects. And then I have it set to go to the Pinckney Community Schools District Country Elementary School. So every school will see it. Share. My activity has been submitted. So I'm going to X out of here, click on School and District. And now I sent an email to my friends saying, hey, 2nd grade friends at Farley, 2nd grade friends at Country, or between a grade level at Navigator. Here's that Unit 7 3D Shapes activity. Click on it, and then you can click Assign, which is green. And now you can assign it to all the 2nd grade classes at your school. And then you click Assign to 4 classes. The other option is you can schedule it. So if you're like, okay, I really want to assign this on Monday morning. So I don't want to forget, and I want all my activities to be pushed out at one time. When will this activity be assigned to students? You can assign it right now, or you can assign it to a specific date, Monday, and then you might want to say 8 a.m. So then they know their activities are coming exactly at that time. So when I click the check mark, and then I say assign on April 20th, it's set. And so that's how you do it. To get back to your class, you would just click back to class. And now you're back at your Seesaw classroom. I hope that helps.